Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open your phone, then you have to open contact, select contact which you want to add a photo, next tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to add the photo. Next you have an option to take a photo or to select photo from gallery. Let's select photo. Then you just select photo, here you can adjust it, and then tap done, and then tap save, and image will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.